Go ahead, G. Take that off. Let's see what it looks like.
Oof.
Wow, look at that. She's gone.
That's normal though.
That what? That's not normal, dude.
It is.
Look at all that scoring. It's done.
Just put some crazy glue and let it run.
Super glue it?
Yeah.
A banana? Put a banana in between there.
Yeah.
So today is kind of like a fun video. I'm still going to show you some cool stuff along the way, but we're just going to be taking this apart and having a good time. So I went ahead and put everything in this box. I'm taking my time and I'm explaining to the boys, you have to make sure you know where all the bolts go. How you doing, G? All right, we got a newbie here. Alright, so this is what we have so far. We're almost there. This is what the garage is looking like right now. Okay, it's not too bad. Not too bad. So, we just have a little bit to go here. Alright guys, so we took everything apart. We're at the bottom of the block and look what we discovered. Here it is, here's the rod knock. Look at the plate here. That plate's not supposed to be there. Go ahead, G, rotate. Alright, stop. We got no play. Wait, go ahead. We got no play. Pop tune, I could bet money on it. Whoever was running this, pop. Chris, what do you think? You're laughing?
I think it was a pop tune.
Yeah, pop tune, high RPMs, popping it. Look.
Like I'm gonna do.
Yeah, I bet you will.
Push.
This engine's giving birth to a piston.
Push.
Go ahead.
Push.
Go ahead.
Push.
Look at that. Uh-huh.
Oh.
It's all the way to the bottom. Now push it out. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
She's 2 centimeters dilated.
What?
Whoa!
Alright guys, so we took everything apart. We discovered the rod knock situation. Here's the rod bearing. It's completely destroyed. It actually spun it. So we purchased this engine like this. We purchased the vehicle with a rod knock. So more than likely what happened here is obviously a lack of lubrication, probably at high RPMs, more than likely since the condition that we have the car in, that we discovered that the car is in, more than likely had some type of pop tune, revving it up, doing something crazy with very low oil or old oil or whatnot, and poor maintenance. And here's what the rod, the connecting rod, looks like, and here's the bearing. Here's one part of the bearing here, and here's the other half of the bearing there. And it's completely torn. And you can see where it has just spun and just melted away pretty much. The idea with this engine, this block, it's still salvageable, okay? I'm gonna put a new crank on here. We're gonna put forged pistons, rods, everything, rebuild it. The heads look like they're in great shape, okay? You can see there's a little bit of wear on the cylinder wall, so more than likely we're gonna bore this out. I gotta measure, make sure it's still within specs, and more than likely we're gonna bore this out and make a crazy engine build out of this. So that's pretty much all we have. Thank you for tuning in. As you saw, I like to take these things apart with my boys. I'm teaching them a little bit as I'm showing you guys what I do, what we do in the shop. I'm teaching them at the same time. And I want to say thank you for watching, everyone that has subscribed so far. I have a lot of ideas for great content coming your way. I just have to put it all together, package it in a nice way where you guys could understand, and I'll break everything down for you guys. I really appreciate it so far. Many thanks.